Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ghost from Ghost Consultant, and in today's video we are going to see how we can create the packages for Forcepoint one endpoint and also how we can perform the installation on one endpoint machine for Windows. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So first things first, we are going to have our Forcepoint one endpoint package builder downloaded onto our FSM server. As you can see, I've already downloaded it. This you can get it from the support portal. Now we are going to extract all and we are going to extract it on the same folder. Once the extraction is completed, we can see all of the packages are here. Now what we are going to do is we are going to copy this. We are going to come on to our installation folder. As you can see here, and we are going to paste it. So the first step that we did in order to create our package is to move the extracted files from our download folder to the WebSense data security client folder. Now you can close the download folder. Coming on to the client folder, this is the directory path, by the way. What you're going to do is you're going to run WebSense endpoint package builder. We're going to double click on it and we're going to run it. Click on yes, and it's going to extract it for us. So once it's extracted, what we're going to do is we're going to deselect Forcepoint web security endpoint and we're going to select Forcepoint DLP endpoint. We're going to click on next, click on Windows 64-bit because this is what we are working with. We are also going to select or give a password so that normal users can't disable it. Moving ahead, we are going to keep everything as default here. This is the IP address of our FSM server. This points out to where the endpoint package is going to get the policies from. We're going to click on next. User interface mode, we are going to select interactive, or installation mode will be full. We're going to click on next. Now save location is where we are going to save our created package. So I would like to create it in our pictures folder. I'm going to select OK and we are going to click on finish. Now this will perform its installation. As you can see, the installation package has been saved. We can click on OK. We can go ahead in our pictures and you can see we got an installation file. Now we are just going to do a cut here, create a new folder called as agent, paste it here, and also I'm going to share this folder from here so that I could get it on my endpoint. Alright, now I'll see you guys when I switch over to my endpoint machine. Alright, so once you've logged in onto our endpoint, we will need to perform the installation. We are going to do a run and we are going to do //fsm and hit enter. And as you can see, we have our agent path here. We are going to copy this. Let's put it in the pictures. We are going to do a paste. Now from here, we are going to double click on it. Make sure that you have logged in as an administrator to perform the installation. Otherwise it will stop you from doing the installation itself. Once you see this pop up, we're going to click on yes. We're going to say next. Accept the license agreement. Click on next. This is the default path where it's going to install. We're going to click on next, install, and we are going to wait for it to be installed. As you can see, this is 25.08, which is the current latest installation files available in Forcepoint portal. So we are just going to wait for the installation to be completed and it should ask us for a restart as well. Please go ahead and restart the endpoint for it to work properly. As you can see, you must restart your system for the configuration changes made. We are going to click on yes. Alright guys, as you can see, my endpoint has just restarted. I can click here on the taskbar and I can double click on my endpoint status. As you can see, now my connection is now connected to the fsmlabs.local. The last update is of 24th August 2025, which is right now. Now, just to verify it from the DLP side as well, we are going to quickly switch over to the DLP console and verify the configuration there. Back into our FSM server, we are going to double click on Google Chrome and log in to our portal. We are going to click on next. Alright, once you are back on the console, we are going to click on status and endpoint status. As you can see, my endpoint status was last updated now. It's not showing synced because I don't have any profile or policy being applied to it. Once we have done that, we will also see it getting synced. The next step that you're going to do, just in case if anyone is trying to do it in their production environment, you need to deploy your endpoint agents to all the machines. So Forcepoint currently doesn't have a direct upgrade from the server itself or from the console. So in order to deploy around your environment, you can use any deployment tools, or you can refer back to my video where we updated or installed the Bold and James agent using GPO, which should also work. And that's it. Your DLP agent is now installed and connected. It's ready to monitor, report, and enforce your policies across endpoints. Now, if you like this video, smash that like button if this helped. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for the next episode where we are going to configure the policies for all the endpoints. And I'll see you guys in the next video.